We took in a new tortoise today, so we have to absolutely build our outdoor enclosure. So we are going today to buy the supplies. I've got the whole plan and everything made up. So Littlefoot, Chompers, and the new guy. And you see the new guy's got some pyramiding to him, so we're going to change his diet up and try and heal that up from him, because, you know, he does, Littlefoot came in real bad pyramiding, and, you know, we're going to get their shells back to the normal way it's supposed to be. So we can take care of that for him. He's all washed up and clean, but this is now way too small for any of the tortoises now. So we are in a have-to situation. We are going up today and buying the materials to build the outside enclosure, and that's it. And I mean, there's no more putting it off. We have to do it today. We don't have enough room for these guys. So, but they are amazing, and they get so dirty in here. This is half sand and half earth. And it, you know, it just gets dirty. They knock over their water bowl. You can see where it was here. And it just, they get muddy with that. I don't really like it as a substrate. So we're going to be building the outside enclosure, and we're going to have a hot house for them so they can go in and sleep at night. And we're going to have it covered and everything taken care of to where nothing can get in and they can't get out. So, oh, you're here. This is the lady that donated the big tortoise. Can you say his name?
Yes.
I can try and say it, but I'll destroy it.
He's it's from the movie called The Bronx.
A Bronx Tale.
His name is Cologero.
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 C-A-L-O-G-E-R-O.
Okay. Cologero. Got it.
He's a good boy.
So I was just talking about the new, you know, outside enclosure we're building. Yeah. So I'm sending my son up today to buy the materials, and we'll get started on it today.
Awesome. Like I said, just keep posting it on Instagram. I'm an avid follower. Always follow.
And you drove how many hours?
9 hours.
9 hours to get here from where?
Long Island.
Oh my God, you are devoted.
Hey, you got a place to
now, why are you hanging out at the Pacu tank?
We brought this bass here 3 years ago. We brought him to
3 years ago.
3 years ago we were here. Again, a 9-hour drive with this guy. And just reuniting with him, it's amazing.
See, now that's what our family, the followers are like. You know, people that do donate, they can keep, you know, watch of their animals and their best friends, their pets. Yeah. So I love it when that happens. And then you come visit them. I love that.
That's amazing. And he's still here. It's amazing. You guys are doing a great job. Right?
Yeah. Which one is he? This guy right here. Yeah. There he is. He won't turn sideways. He's looking at me. Trying to get you on the side, buddy.
That's him. That's Kratos.
Kratos?
Kratos. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. God, he grew so much.
Did he? Well, he looks small in this tank here, but look over the top at him, and you'll see the actual real size of him.
Jesus. Yeah.
Definitely looks bigger from on top, don't he?
Yeah, he sure does. Oh, my God. Hey,
he's a big boy. Oh, no, you stick your hands...
No, they had me do that to this guy. Feed him. They go feed him, so I dropped pellets in there.
It scared the
Jesus, I pissed myself.
Well, see, that's the way with these bass now. They are super on it. Watch him. If I put something down here like this, they're ready to go.
It's amazing.
Now, see, if you just put your fingertips in there, and you got to be scared because they will bite. But, like, you know, I can reach in there and basically just, you know...
Oh, I see what you mean.
Now they don't want to try and bite you.
I got you.
But your fingertips look like food, so that's where you got to be worried. As you get a nip, it hurts.
Yeah. I used to have my husband put his hand in the tank with him. He used to come out bleeding, right, Kyle?
Oh.
He used to come out bleeding.
My hand's all wet. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's great to see you again.
Nice to see you, buddy. So you had the bloody nubs, huh?
Yep. I'm so happy you guys are taking the tortoise, man. Thank you.
Well, what you guys have done was we've been meaning to get to this tortoise enclosure build for so long, but those two are doing good the way they are, and Skylar takes them out during the daytime, lets them... Right, so now that's too small for all three of them. I mean, I can't even argue that they'll be okay. That's too small.
We gave you an extra box, just in case.
So we're going to have to, I'm going up, now, like I explained on here, we're going up today and getting the parts, and we're going to just build it. So by tomorrow evening, it should be done.
Oh, that's awesome. I'll be looking for the YouTube video.
There you go.
Okay, so we are at Tractor Supply. We are looking at the cages. Those are way too small. This is a 10 by 5. Would be good for, you know, 1 or 2 tortoises. You know, we've got them 3 monsters. So I'm looking at this 10 by 10 here. It's only $400. It's got a nice walk-through gate. And it's got these clamps that, you know, bolt it all together. So even if I wanted to, I can make this 20 by 10 and attach it to the back wall of the fish room or something like that. And they could have a 20 by 10 enclosure. How freaking cool is that?
Look at this, guys. We have the cage for the tortoise enclosure. Josh went up to Tractor Supply and we bought this.
Which, check out the clips here right now.
Okay, here we go. We're building the enclosure. That'll be the bottom down here. Okay, so here we go, setting this up. We had to unpack it. We set it up. And we're like, oh, well, wait, that's wrong. We got to turn them around. Put these panels on that side. We had the cage on the outside and the inside on some sides. So now they're all the caging is on the outside and the poles are on the inside now. But we didn't like how that was. I know it looks like the Three Stooges here, trying to get this thing set up. But we had to figure out how they packed it, how they wanted it to go together and everything else. So we changed it around. Yes, we got the front to the back and the back to the front. Okay, now everything's right. But we got to turn these all the way around because we want the door to be down here on the bottom. So we went ahead and started turning it around one by one while Josh was getting the other pieces. We got one more turn to make. There we go. Now we got it turned around. So Josh got the screw gun. We can start screwing it together when he gets back. Now the clamps were at the top, both of them, so we had to take one off and put one at the bottom. So we got one clamp at the top, one clamp at the bottom. It's pretty simple to do, very simple, you know, basically. But as we're tightening them up, we realize, yep, hang on, I gotta go get Tracy. Okay, so anyways, I'm back now. We get it all together and we just loosely put it together to where it's snug but not, you know, perfect. So this way we decided we can carry it down to the flat cement area and then we can snug it up and tighten it up there and it'll be perfectly square at that point. So we moved the chairs out of the way and started doing it over here. Excuse me. That was the best idea we can come up with because we don't know where we're going to put that yet. You know, its permanent situation isn't going to be right there. That's where the addition to the fish room is going to go eventually. So right now we're just putting it there because there is a lot of grass there. We haven't been able to mow up there. Excuse me. So now we tighten it up and get it all set. And it's in its permanent location for now. Because, you know, we've got a lot more things to do. We got to put a hot box in there. We got to get the lid for the top so that no critters can come in after and hurt them and bother them. So that looks good though. We're ready to use it. There we go. There's Kathy bringing out the first one.
Chompers.
Is that's chompers?
Yep.
What's up, chompers? Look at you.
What's the new guy's name? Do you guys remember? It's Colocero.
Something like that.
I call him Cal.
Or you
Cal.
call them
Okay.
PC, because that's what they were calling him.
All right, they're going to get the rest of the tortoises. And look at Chompers.
He's already eating the grass.
He's already eating. There he is. Look at him go. That's good. Big guy, we need this place mowed. Now, again, like I was saying, you know, before, this is temporary for them to come out into the sun. We're not leaving them out here at nighttime. So they don't have time to burrow. They don't have time to get away until we build a hot box out here where they can go in at nighttime and then it'll be nice and warm for them. And we have a cover on the top to keep, you know, animals out like raccoons and stuff like that. We cannot leave them out here overnight. Plus, we have to dig down in the ground at least a foot all the way around this to bury, you know, some wood so they can't get out. Oh, here we go. There's Colocero. And here goes Littlefoot. We need to wash them off. As soon as we wash them off, they go into that sand and that earth mixture, and then they just cover themselves in mud. Okay, so he just got his bath.
Yep, he needs one on the bottom too.
Yeah, he does. You ask him what he's doing, he's just hanging out.
Down the street, same old thing.
Oh, that's the 70s show.
He's was stanky. That little enclosure got dirty so quick.
Yeah. That little enclosure's got to go. It's too small for them.
So now we got to figure out what we're doing for them in the winter time.
Right.
Which I have an idea.
The top of the 3,000?
No.
Okay.
Hey. Almost done here, buddy. We're just going to get you all the way cleaned off. Get you looking nice. Close your eyes.
You know, that's one thing we don't have back here is a garden hose. We need that.
You won't need it if you go with my idea.
Of?
The drain from the fish tank straight
Oh,
out
yeah.
to a pool to a drain. Okay, there's Littlefoot.
Now we've got chompers left.
All right, he's not bad. We just cleaned him recently. Littlefoot was bad because Chomper would crawl all over him.
Yeah, chomper crawls over top of them and gets the. We have a earth and a sand mixture out there, and that dirt just gets all over them.
Look at Big C. He's standing there. He is. He's used to hands on all the time.
Oh, you're already eating some grass. Look at you.
He's like, get out of my cage.
Right.
He likes humans. He's always been hands on.
Say hi to you.
He's awful ornery. Oh, Josh is cleaning his shoe now.
Big C crawled over me. Got fucking tortoise shit all over me.
All right, let's let them do to their mowing deeds. Look at Big C going right to Mark. He wants some attention. And let me see what I asked Josh to change the waterfall, so let's see what he's done here.
It changed nothing. I just cleaned out all the.
Oh my God, look at that. Much better. It was all coming off on the right-hand side over here.
Had 3 inches of hair algae.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all
That is way better, Josh. Way better. Oh, yeah. For sure. Way better. Now you can hear it again. It was coming off the side. All of it was coming off the side, hitting this rock and just going down. You weren't hearing no splashing or nothing. This is all splashing now. All sounds great. Good job, Josh. Got a little mud into the pond, but
A little bit.
a little bit. See how nice and green and clear? You can see the fish on the bottom, the paddlefish, but nope, not through here. This is all mud. But yeah, that's way better, Josh. Thank you very much, son.
This whole river's like that all the way through.
Look at the elephant ears starting to grow. Here, back there, over there in that corner, and right here. They're all starting to grow. Another month, that's going to be overtaken. This whole thing will be jungleized with elephant ear. Awesome. Okay, so we're done with that. We're going to come over here. We've got all this metal from when we had our roof put in. We're moving all this stuff over because the stuff on the bottom is the extra pieces of metal for our roof in case we ever have to fix or replace any. We're going to put this metal on top of them bridge mats over there. So then we can stack all this stuff back on top of that. So there's a piece of gutter on the end there. I don't know what this is here. I think that looks like roofing maybe. Yeah, that goes. Then we can take a broom and sweep off all the leaves. We don't need any of them on there. That's just going to make it heavier for us to carry.
This what?
Just sit over there. Oh, it could go in the metal pile, yeah. All right, so now we've got like 6 or 7 sheets of roofing here, of the metal roofing that we got on our roof, our newest roof. And we're going to move this. Then we can go ahead. Kathy wanted a flower bed somewhere, so she's going to take, see how we got the 2 bushes in here? She's going to take from that cement, we're going to put in bricks all the way around, like right here, around here, straight through here, around to here. And this is going to be Kathy's flower bed. She's going to plant all of her flowers and everything in here. That'll be her spot she takes care of and she wants to manage. And we'll have more than just these 2 bushes here. And these 4, we don't know where to plant them yet, but they look good sitting around the edge of the deck. So we've got the seating area. Then we got the walk-through area here. We will have the nice planted area, the hammock. This is where we're putting in a archway right here. It'll go up and over, and I'll plant roses on each side and let them connect. So it's a big rose bush archway. And then right here, we're going to get some fire brick and sit down and make us a 4-foot fire pit here, to where we got 4 nice chairs around the fire pit, and add another feature to this. So you can sit around the pond at nighttime, you know, have the fire pit, roast some weenies, whatever. Listen to the waterfall. And then right here, right in the middle of this, we're going to sink down 2 4x4s, and at the top, we're putting in eye hooks. The eye hooks will hook with the chain to a 12-foot long, let's say a dock board. That way, if the water goes up, it can go up, and if it goes down, it can go down to a floating dock out there, to where you can walk down this like you would at the boat ramp, and then get onto the water, and you'll have a railing all the way around it. We can be out there, and that's where we'll feed the fish from. A nice little, I think that'll be really nice. We're working, we're getting it done. Okay, so now we're covering the bottom 1 foot all the way around, so that the turtles don't see out. If they see out, they want to keep digging to get out. So they can't see out this way. And Josh has got the both sides almost done. We're going to do the front. He's going to put a piece on the door here, so it opens and closes with the door, and then covers all that, and that little corner over there. He's doing a good job. He's kicking it. We're getting it done. And they're using tie wire and zip ties through drill hole bits, or drill holes that they can put the zip strip through and attach it to the cage. Now what we want to do is attach 2 wheels, one to each back corner, so we can lift up this side and pull it and move it. Okay, so now we're putting on the last pieces across the front. We got the front here to there, and then we got the door piece. And it will be done. He's marking it for the door piece now. Do we have enough to finish, Josh?
I can make it.
Oh, finish the line here over to the door, because you're cutting off minimal pieces, and we'll just buy a piece for the door. Okay, guys. I hope you guys liked today's video. We did get it done. We did finish the door piece. Just wanted to say, you know, thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for hanging in there. Oh, look, the turtles are going at it. Oh, wow. That's surprising. But anyways, hit that like and subscribe button. And remember, our new Stay Fishy Friday live stream is on a completely different channel. The link is right on our main page on YouTube. You can see it and get to it. So thank you for watching, and as always, stay fishy, everyone.